Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to play a 60s classic designed for the acoustic guitar. This one's called California Dreamin by the great Mamas and the Papas. I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, click us a like and subscribe. So with all that out the way, go grab your guitars and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. So here we go then, California Dreamin by the Mamas and the Papas. It's in the key of C sharp minor. What we're going to do, and what John Phillips did, is have a capo on the 4th fret and use an A minor shape. Okay, so we've got our A minor shape. And on the record, what you'll hear is that there's two guitars going on, interweaving with each other, which for us with the one guitar is not helpful. So what we're going to do is play it like this. Here we go. Right, one more time. There's our intro, okay? So, how to play that then? The intro's done like this. So what we're going to do, to explain, A minor, which is what I said to start with, take our first finger away, and all of the picking bits, the twiddly bits, the fingering is going to be done between the first and our little finger, yeah, and the two middle fingers are going to pretty much stay there for the whole time. So remember what I said, A minor, first finger away, it's all done between the first and the little finger, and keep the two middle fingers where they are. Okay, so let's start with the first section of this intro, which goes, we're going to lift our first finger off and we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 3. Got that? Then we're going to go little finger on the 7th, first finger on the 5th of the B string, then open, then the 4th string. So we got 7, 5, open, then 4th string. Okay? Next is on the first string, the E string, is open, 5, open, then B string, which is the 7th fret, then open, then 5th fret B string. So let's take you through that again. It's going to go. So we got E string, open, 5, open, 7 on the B, then open on the B, then 5th on the B. So let's take you through that far. So we've got then the last section is open B, so that's open B, 5th fret, then open again, so it should sound like that. Then we're going to go to the 3rd string, then open 3rd string, and then E7. Hold an E7 up for you. There we go, there's our E7. Got it? Just with the two fingers there. Okay. So we've got our two middle fingers planted there. We go. Which is the 3rd finger on the 3rd string. So. Okay, so let's take you through all of that then. So we've got Okay. So one more run through. So we've got first section is 4-3-2-3. 7 on the B, 5 on the B, open B. Then 4th string, then E string, open 5, open B string, 7, open 5 on the B string, and then B string, open 5, open, and then 3rd string, then open 3rd string, and then E7. Okay, let's move on to the chords. Let's get stuck into these chords and the strumming pattern. Now, I know some of you have trouble with the strumming pattern, so I'm going to take this one slower for you. This is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now that's going to sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Right, let's move on to the chords. Now the chords we're going to be using are A minor. Let's bring that a bit closer to the screen for you. So it's A minor, G, we're going to be using an F, G, E7, then we've got a C, E7, A minor, F, E7, E7, A minor, G, F, G, E7, and then A minor, G, F, G, E, E. Now I'm going to be putting those chords up for you at the bottom of the screen. So let's have them chords up so you can follow along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, 2, G, 2, F, 2, G, 2, E7, 2, 3, 4. E7, 2, F, 2, C, 2, E7, 2, A minor, F, E7, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, F, G, E7, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, F, G, E. Let's take that again. A minor, 2, G, F, G, E7, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2, F, 2, C, E7, A minor, F, E7, E7, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, F, G, E7, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2, 3, 4, A minor, G, F, G, E. So there we are, Mamas and the Papas and California Dreamin'. How did you get along with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. And also, if there's any other songs you'd like me to rip to pieces and bring to you in a brand new video, let me know down in the comment section below. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel. And I'm so grateful to everyone that's already done that already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.